Welcome back. My name is Adebayo Gabriel Shola. Yes, last class we talked about sequence and series one. Today we are going to discuss about sequence and series two. So this is what we discuss about the series one, and if you watch our previous video, we talk about the brief introduction of sequence and series. Watch our previous video to understand this. So we talk about sequence, we talk about series, we talk about arithmetic progression, and we also talk about geometric progression, some of AP and some of GP, how to identify them from this. Watch our previous video, you will understand what we are talking about. Please subscribe, subscribe onto our YouTube channel for more video. Okay, and there is also space for sponsorship and adverts. For this video, you can WhatsApp us and we can also do interactive meeting using our Zoom. So you can WhatsApp me, I'll send you my Zoom ID. So thank you. Now let's continue sequence and series 2. Sequence and series 2. Sequence and series 2. So here now, we want to talk about the arithmetic progression, geometric progression, some of AP, and some of GP. So we have the reason why we use the formula for arithmetic progression is that when you have this set of data now and you are asked to find, okay, look at this set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, let's continue until we get, let's say, 16, 18, 20, and so on and so forth. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So instead for us to now look for the 10 times, we can now use this formula. This formula Tn, okay, Tn. So it's equal to a plus n minus 1d, where our a is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. So now we can also um, so that is that. Okay, now to now test this to be 20 now, we can now say that um, so you can now say that Tn, so our first time a, so a is a is the first term, which is 2. We are taking care of this first, and let's see what we can do. A is the first term, which is 2, 4, 6, 8. So can I say 2 plus uh, n is 10 minus 1, common difference is 2. So 2 plus 10 2 plus open bracket 10. So the answer will now be 2 plus 9 times 2 will now give us 2 plus 18. The answer will now be 20. So that is how we got this 20. The n times, because A is equal to 2. So we have D is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So when we now use this formula, so A plus n minus 1D, so that will give us T10 is equal to 2 plus 10 minus 1, 2. So now that's that. We can erase this work now. So when you look at the arithmetic progression, so if you want to find the 50 terms, just say T50 is equal to 2 plus 50 minus 1. You have your 2 here, which is same thing as well, 2 plus 49 times 2. So let's drop the board. So now the answer will now be 2 plus 98, which is equal to 100. So that means we can find the 100 times of this. So you can find the 50 times. So the 50 times will now be 100. So the same thing also happen for geometry progression (GP). The geometry progression (GP). So we have, let's take care of this. So now this will now be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 7 times, level of the board. So we have T7 is equal to 2 times 2, 7 minus 1. That is equal to 2 times 2 raised power 6. We have 2 times 64, which is equal to 128, because our R is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So our R is the common ratio. R is the common ratio. That's how we got our 128 that we have here. This 128. Okay, that is this geometry progression. So since you can identify the arithmetic progression, you can identify the geometry progression. So if no matter the terms that you are looking for, you'll be able to get it. Now, sum of arithmetic progression, sum of AP, sum of AP. So we are using number 6. Let's see, n is equal to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 16, 8 plus 18 plus 20 plus dot dot dot. So we have so the formula we are using now, Sn n over 2 n minus n over 2d. Let us assume our n is 10. So a is 2 and our d is 2. So we are going to have 10 so we are going to have S10 is equal to 10 over 2 bracket 2 times 2 plus 10 minus 1 2. So which is 5 4 plus 9 times 2. So we have 5 4 plus 18. So we have 5 times 22 back, which is equal to what? 110. So the sum of this is 110. When you sum it, when you sum this, so that 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 30 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20. You can now see that the answer is 10. The answer is 110. So that is that. And okay, sum of GP when our absolute value R is greater than 1, we use this first formula. So when it is less than 1, we use this formula. And when it is 10 to infinity, we use that formula. So we have okay, that is that. For this case, when we use this question 7, we can easily observe that our R is 2. Our R is 2. So R is equal to R is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2 greater than 1. So we use the first formula. So we use this formula because it's greater than 1. So we use this formula. We use this formula. So we are going to have so S10 is equal to 2 2 raised to the power 10 Am I right? Minus 1 over 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 times 2 raised power 10 10^24 minus 1, which is what? 2 times 1023. So the answer will now be what? 6402. That is the answer. 2046. I believe you enjoyed this video. So we can now handle some of the exercises here now. Since you already know the AP and GP, so we can also handle these exercises. Instead of using UN, TN, you can also use UN. So next class, we are going to solve these questions together. We solve these questions together, and also these questions, we solve them together. These exercises now, write down the formula for n times for this or the following sequence. Okay, let's just do one A. 1A. What is there in 1A? 3, 6, 12, 24. 3, 6, 12, 24, dot. When you have this sequence, the first thing you have to know is that, is this AP or GP? So this is GP. Why is it GP? Because it involves division or multiplication. Because we now say that 3 times 2 will give us 6. 6 times 2 will give us 12. And so on and so forth. Okay? Now to get to, now we are going to use GP. Because it's GP, you now say T n is equal to our first term. A is 2, because it is 6 divided by 3. So our R so is 2. First term, R is 6 divided by 3, which is equal to what? 2. This one is 3, is the first term. y common ratio is now 6 divided by 3, that is 2. So our formula is ARN minus 1, which is what? 3, which is 3 times 2 n minus 1. That is the final answer. That's the final answer for this. Because you have to write down the formula for the n terms of this sequence. So the formula for the n term for this sequence is 3 times 2 raised to power n minus 2. So any question? So we can also solve as much as possible question here. Solve any question for yourself here. If you want me to solve any of these questions for you, you can contact me. I will solve it for you. Okay. This one is the whole sequence. This is series because it involves addition. So thank you. So once again, my name is Adebayo Gabriel Olushola. Adebayo Gabriel Olushola. You can contact me on my YouTube. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos. So thank you and God bless you.